Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can compare two JSON responses using JMeter. For that, guys, create one thread group, add a thread group, and we'll see one sample JSON sample REST API. So we have request.in, which will give you sample data. If I click on that, I want a list. Let us take a single user. If you click here, it will give you the exact API and the response which we want to get. Okay, let me copy this. So right click here, create a sampler called HTTP request. Just name it as request sampler 1, and you can add the entire server name here. Make sure you add HTTPS here in the protocol and the entire API till here and request.in. Okay, and also you add JSON extractor. Go to add post processors JSON extractor. You have to add the following. Okay, just keep the main sample only. You can keep JSON output 1. Okay, and you want to match the entire thing, so just add dollar here and match for random, 0 for random. You want to match 0, so don't click this one and add no JSON. Just add the same thing. That's it. Copy and paste it here. Just add no. Okay, now just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, so here we have we can change the request sampler to. I'm just showing we can use the same HTTP request, the request.in REST APIs. And there's an extractor. I can add a different variable name. I can add like this. Okay, now I have to just change, just add a sampler, which is JSR223. Here I have to add one script. I can add the script, which is already ready. I can add the same script. I can paste it here. So I'm using a JSON output 1, which is this one, and JSON output 2, which is this one. Now to view results, I have to add a sampler, the listener, which is view results tree. Okay. Here add one more thing. This is just log info. If you want to add both are equal in the view results tree, you can add sample request dot sets response data also can add. So now run here the view results tree, click on no here. So now we'll get the response body, we get both are equal. Okay. So if you want to do some negative testings, okay, if you want to add any other, let's say if you want to add, let's say for list users, okay, for a single user, this is the one, for list user, this is the one, copy this. Only thing we have to change is this one. Okay, you can minimize that. Only thing you have to add here in the path, you have to copy, you have to paste this one, and you have to add slash in the beginning. And also make sure you add response dot set response data in the else condition also. Here click on enter, paste, both are not equal. Okay, how now I have to just run this. I want let us clear all. Just me run this, so I have to get the result. Both are not equal. Okay, this is how we can easily compare. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.